Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Consider an order recognition rule where the validation rule X query expression contains the following lines of code. When a CRM application tries to create orders that would be processed by this recognition rule by using the create order web service, which are two possible responses it could receive depending on the output of the validation expression. Option A. Create order response, message with the created order id. Option B. Fault, message with the description containing no matching order recognition rule found. Option C. Fault, message with a description containing order id is missing in the request. Option D. Fault, message with a description containing transaction not allowed. Option E. Fault, message with the description containing error in validation expression. See order for details. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Fault, message with the description containing no matching order recognition rule found. Option C. Fault, message with a description containing order id is missing in the request. Question 2. OSM is executing an order with the process indicated in the diagram. Immediately after the completion of task D, a revision is received, which causes only task B to be re-evaluated. During the re-execution of task B, a significant data element used by tasker and task D is updated in the order. Which task is re-evaluated when the compensation for task B completes? Option A. Tasker. Option B. Task B. Option C. Task. Option D. Task D. Option E. Task A. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Task D. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.